Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, in this tutorial we're gonna do this stitch. Looks like a cross. So if you like to do this for blouses, I don't know, shawls, you can do this. It's very easy, but I'm not gonna waste those of you. I'm not gonna waste your time if you don't like the back post or the front post. This is worked with single crochet, back post, front post, triple crochet. So if you don't like this kind of stitches, don't well, you're gonna pass this tutorial. But this is reversible, so it's nice for a shawl or whatever you want to do with this stitch. Okay, this stitch works with multiples of 3 plus 2 more. So I chain my multiples of 3 and I'm gonna chain 2 more. Please put the video on full screen, that way you're gonna see closer. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna skip the first 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th chain, yarn over the hook, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a double crochet. And in each chain across the row, we're gonna do double crochet. This stitch has only 2 rows repeat, and one of the rows is single crochet, which is very easy. And the other row is with the back post and front post triple crochet. Especially after we start with the back post, front post, that row is gonna be a little bit difficult because you don't have much material to grab on. And well, it's a little bit some pain in there. But well, if you're patient, and if you like this stitch, you can make sure you can do it. So in each chain we're gonna do double crochets. And then we're gonna chain 2. Each time you're gonna do the row with a single crochet, you're gonna chain 2 at the end. So the first stitch is here, we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet, and we're gonna do single crochet in each stitch across the row. Each stitch single crochet. This is the row, the single crochet, and the next row that we're gonna do is gonna be the one that you're gonna repeat on and on. Well, just 2 rows repeat, it's not so difficult. And especially when one of the rows is just single crochet. So you're gonna do single crochet in each stitch. And you're gonna do a single crochet in the top 3rd chain, this one. I'm gonna do a single crochet there. Now chain 3. Each time you're gonna do the row with the front post, back post, triple crochet, you're gonna chain 3 and leave the 3rd chain a little bit loose. Okay, turn your work, and now we're gonna skip 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th, this one, the 4th, we're gonna do a front post triple crochet. So yarn over the hook twice, and we're gonna skip 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th we're gonna do a front post triple crochet. Now yarn over the hook twice, we're gonna go back to the 3rd one. So 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna go back to this one, and we're gonna do a back post triple crochet. So put your crochet hook behind the work and kinda do like this, and do the triple crochet. Then chain 1. Now we're gonna skip 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and in the 3rd we're gonna do a front post triple crochet. So yarn over the hook twice and skip 2 double crochets, and in the 3rd do a front post triple crochet. Yarn over the hook twice, and we're gonna go back to this. So we skip 1, 2, we work in the third, and we're gonna go back to the one in the middle, the second one, let's say. Go behind the work, insert your hook, kind of wrap around your hook around that double crochet, pull up a loop, and then do a triple crochet. Chain 1, and we're gonna do like this until we finish the row. Yarn over the hook twice, we're gonna skip 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do a front post triple crochet. Then you're gonna wrap the yarn again twice, and you're gonna go back to that second one, this one here, and we're gonna do a back post triple crochet. Yeah, the first row now it's a little bit difficult because you don't have much material to grab on, but after that, after a few more rows, you're gonna be okay. Chain 1, yarn over the hook twice, and again we're gonna skip 1, 2, and in the third we're gonna do the same, front post triple crochet. Yarn over the hook twice, and we're gonna go back to this second one that we skipped. So go from behind, kind of wrap around your hook around that double crochet, pull up a loop, then do a triple crochet. Chain 1, yarn over the hook, and in the last stitch we're gonna do, in the chain here, we're gonna do a double crochet. And now chain 2, we're gonna repeat the single crochet row and have it like this, and then you're gonna go here into this stitch and you're gonna do a single crochet, go into this space, one chain space, do a single crochet, and then you have the front and back post stitches here, this two. So go in there and do a single crochet. Next one, single crochet. The one chain space here, do a single crochet. Then you move to this double crochets, well, the front post and back post triple crochets, and in those stitches you're gonna do single crochet, the chain one space, single crochet, and so on. Okay, then you have the two front post and back post triple crochet, the stitches here, so you're gonna go in there and you're gonna do a single crochet, and you're gonna do a single crochet on top the third chain, 1, 2, third. So go on top of the third and do a single crochet. That's why I said when you chain 3, make the chain a little bit loose, the third one. It's gonna look like this. Okay, now we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, and this third one, leave it a little bit loose, turn your work. And now this is gonna be a little bit difficult for some of you if you're not accustomed. So yarn over the hook twice. You have this front post, but this one is the back. So you're gonna go first through this one and you're gonna do a front post double crochet. So you're gonna go to that and you're gonna do a front post triple crochet. Okay, now yarn over the hook twice, and then you're gonna go back to this one, the front post or the back post. It's so confusing in there. So you're gonna go from behind the work, and you can see like this, pull up a loop, and then do a triple crochet. Then you're gonna chain 1, yarn over the hook twice, and again you're gonna go do a front post triple crochet to this one first. You place your crochet hook like that, pull up a loop, and then do a triple crochet. Yarn over the hook twice, and then we're gonna do a back post triple crochet through this one here. So go from behind, you see it's behind, and then pull up a loop, and then do a triple crochet. Okay, now chain 1, yarn over the hook twice, and again you're gonna go to this one first and do a front post triple crochet. Yarn over the hook twice, and then we're gonna go through this one here, and from the back you're gonna go like this, see, pull up a loop, and then do a triple crochet, chain 1, yarn over the hook twice, and then the last one here we're gonna do the same. We'll go first to this one, front post triple crochet. Well, it's a little bit, you know, until you get accustomed with this one, it's a little bit weird. So you go through this one now, but back post triple crochet. You pull up a loop, and then do a triple crochet, chain 1, yarn over the hook, and in the last stitch here, this one, we're gonna do a double crochet. You're always gonna finish this row with double crochet, then chain 2, because we're gonna repeat the row with the single crochet. It's gonna look like this. So the first stitch is here, this one, so we're gonna go in there and we're gonna do a single crochet, then you're gonna go into the space, chain 1 space, and do a single crochet. Then you have the 2 stitches here from those back post, front post triple crochet, and you're going to place 1 single crochet in each, then the space, 1 chain space there, single crochet, and so on. Well, it's not a difficult stitch, but the position that, you know, the way you have to do it, especially in the beginning, the first row with the back post and front post, it's a little bit unusual, a little bit difficult. So you have the last 2 front and back post triple crochet stitches where you're going to place 1 single crochet, and you have the chain 1, 1, 2, 3. Go on top of the 3rd and do a double crochet. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this row and then I'm gonna stop. Then you're gonna repeat the row with the front post, back post triple crochet, which you're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, leave it loose, this one, turn your work, and you're gonna do like this, yarn over the hook twice, and you're gonna go through this one, which it was the back post. Looks like so confusing in there. What did I do in there? So you do a front post triple crochet, yarn over the hook twice, and then you're gonna go through this one here, but back post triple crochet. So go behind the work, go behind that, pull up a loop, and then do a triple crochet, chain 1, yarn over the hook twice, and you move to the next set of front and back post triple crochet, and you go through this one first, and it's front post triple crochet. Okay, now yarn over the hook twice, and you go with a back post triple crochet through that second one, pull up a loop, and then do a triple crochet, chain 1, and you're gonna do like this. I think maybe with a thin yarn, maybe it's a little bit nicer, but I think with the thick yarn you work a little bit faster and it's easy to do that back post. Chain 1, and now we reach the end. Well, what am I? The last one. So yarn over the hook twice, go and do a front post triple crochet, down over the hook twice, and then you're gonna do a back post through this one. So go behind that double crochet. Well, so chain one, and then in the last stitch here you're gonna yarn over and gonna do a double crochet. Then you're gonna chain two, and you're gonna start with the, how do you say, the row with a single crochet. The first stitch is here, you go in there and you do a single crochet. The chain space, one chain space there, you do a single crochet. You have the two, and you do single crochet stitches in there, and you're gonna go into the one chain space, and so on. You're gonna do like this. It's very easy. It's just a little bit weird, and if you like it, you can do like this stitch. Yeah, but I think it's really nice for a shawl if you like this, and it looks like a cross or something like that. Like this. Well, give it a try. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.